let me tell you about Blogger. I'll tell you how to handle these from the laptop or your device itself. So here is you get here's a list of some blogs that I have hosted, and these are some articles posted on it. That just mobile view. You can have your own views and thing is there. See many list of articles that I have published till date, and I have talked about few of them during this as well. I just want to add, you can write about books you read as well. So this is list of articles, and that's the view. And thing is that I have not done any SEO to this blog. That's organic reach. So it's very much late. All time I had just 2,754 views. Uh, then last month I think 86 views were there just because I shared it somewhere. And that's so here is analytics. So let's start and create a new blog. The first thing that you want to give is a name for your blog. Are you understanding or is this okay with? So let's say we give our name archives or wandering mind. It's fine. That blogger and you can host your blog in 2 to 3 steps. Okay. I just give name archives of wandering mind and click next. The next screen it asks me for is a URL. You need to choose a URL for your blog. Let's say you choose any custom domain later, but when it comes you want subdomain of blogspot.com, you need to choose one that is available. So let's say archive of wanderer. Okay, let's say this is our blog. It's available. So quickly we can say save. And the blog is created. This is that view. There are no posts made yet. And there is small symbol in the bottom hand that is plus sign. And if you click there, you see a apparent window where you can create posts. So let's say this is sample topic title, and you say right, this is my first blog. You can do any customization that you can do in Google Docs or Word here itself. So you can choose font, you can choose styling, you can choose size. And this is my first blog. I think if you want to insert images, it's not showing option here, but when it comes to desktop, you can choose or insert images here. Okay, that's it. When you preview it, it shows you how your blog article would be shown. And ads goes here. There is one keyword, ads goes here. If you activate your AdSense, the ads will be shown in this box. And as the number of users increase, your commercialization increase, and then you can get money. But remember, it's not the money that you expect to see. You need to have very large viewers to have very much make a money that's accountable. Okay. When you click on preview, the important feature it gives is how your site will be shown on various devices. Let's say desktop, mobile, tablet, or when you change the screen. So that's it. When I click, so I think that's it. So that's my published blog. So where I can see my blog. So here you go. view blog. Here you see there is title, there is first blog and poster comment. So that's it. So next part is theme. Now you see, if you see stat page for your blog, it's just empty. It's a one view and today it's today. So okay. Next thing about you can customize layout or theme. There is default theme that is chosen for you when you install start a blog. But you can always customize your theme. You can explore this option. I won't go deep into this option. In the comment section, you can see comments that any user has posted. Just that this blog has no, I'll show analytics of my blog so that you can get idea of what it's like. So here is something. This is list of comments that you see, and you can always delete it and have it. And when it comes to stats, but remember, when I come to earnings page, I have activated AdSense. AdSense, I have not communicated with AdSense. There are some issue with my account, so I have not activated AdSense yet. So you can always activate AdSense and see tutorials how to activate AdSense. Okay. So here is setting you can customize, and when you click on view blog, you can always okay. This is another part that you can do. This is a list of blogs that you are following. Okay. First thing, when you compare these two blog articles, here you see it. This is simple blog that is not customized at all. And when you perform few customization, it will take hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours. But that's like it. Here is title, the title, there is some description, there is subscribe button, there is search button, there is contact form, there is some archive, it's about me and labeled. So this customization you can easily do in maybe 1 or 2 hours. And when you click on more posts, it shows you all posts. And it just goes and shows you all the experience. Okay. I think right now I will show how to customize any blog article. I'll choose any other free written blog article. So I don't have access to laptop right now. So let's say this technical article that I want to show. So this heading for it is my experience of registering more than 1,000 attendees for international conference. So it was my experience. I had designed a system through which you can register for the international conference. When you register, you will get a registration ID when you submit the form itself. And then, is my screen visible? I think this should be visible now. Hello?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. As you can see, I have some text bolded, there are some images inserted, there is some more extra information there. And I have just written the steps I followed. For example, first step was creating Google Form, and that I think everyone can do it easily. You attend it, should get the form, should collect email ID. Now that is thing that most would not find easily. So I listed out here how to send how to add a registration number for a particular attendee. So when you see here, I have made some Google scripting, and I just posted that script here, and have told how I have did it. So after reading this, one can easily follow this and get knowledge about what I have done. Okay, there are the fourth step. Now, 1,000 attendees have registered, and I need to analyze how their differences, what category they have divided. So, there are about 7,777 males. That also lists how I have differentiated and exported the list to all of them. And also, important thing is advantage and disadvantage are listed there. There is some conclusion. That was my way of doing things. And I just shared it through blog article. So that if one wants to design a system, or if I want to refer how I did it, I can always go back to this. Now, there was one part, label. So I will go to this article to tell you how labels are. So here are some labels listed here. Labels are relevant words that help your blog in search engine optimization. There is labels is infodemic, that is information pandemic, Cambridge Analytica, privacy, data industry, data rights, and data privacy. So you can see here that this is lengthy. You can always do something that you want. Don't panic. It's a work of, I think, 1 year. So that's it. I think now I will show you another platform. Is Blogger clear to you? Every other blog platform has these options in some or other way. Is Blogger clear? How you can do things here? First thing, you need to create post by creating. If you want to create a new post, here is the button. And if you want to create a new blog, here is a new blog. Okay. So I think let's move to next platform that I would suggest might be useful for you to develop. So here it is. I'll just log into my account so that you can see. I just started on this blog as well. So I am also a new to this blog. Okay. This is a community blog of developers that is particularly dedicated to technical articles. 10 useful HTML5 features you may not be using. This is all particularly technical. Blogs are divided in particular categories, whether it's related to JavaScript, whether it's related to web development, webinar, and this is one type of a community blogging site that you can use to host your technical articles. There is another site that is WordPress. I will show mobile view itself, but I don't have access to laptop right now due to some network issues. And here you go. I have created one site through WordPress, and that I have shown you earlier. I'll show visuals later. So to know more how it's a little bit complex, but when you host a site on web page WordPress, you can customize your own blogs or your own home pages. So that's it. So there is everything that you see. Here is option for blog posts. The one that you see in Blogger was available there itself, in the blog directly. But here you get option blog posts to know about it. Here is also stats section that you can always use to check the visitors of your blog. And just started. I have not customized anything at all, so it's just fine. I think stats, it gives insights. There are 37 views, 132 views all time. Where you have source, of that particular noun. And I think is Blogger clear to you? Hello, or WordPress clear to you? There is one another site that you can always explore. Any other site that you have, medium.com, one of the top sites that you can always refer. So it's it. Just the thing is that it's something paid. You have access to 30 articles reading. You can read only 30 articles or 50 articles a month on this site, medium.com. So you see there are many sites, but fundamental components goes the same for each site. Each site has how to create blog posts, how to manage tags, how to manage pages, and how you can add any other components, contact information or subscription form that you want to add. And the important thing, every blog has its own monetization policy. WordPress hosts your blog for you. This is customized homepage. You can see it, and this customization is really easy. And I believe you can do it at your own anytime. I think if you dedicate your 4 to 5 hours, and if you don't have any technical knowledge, you can host your own site and create your own site. So let me show you how you can do it. That's a beta part. You need to open WordPress, and here you go. This is my blog article, right? And these are some blogs that I have added, and you can edit every blog. I think it's topic of your exploration, and you can always explore. The main difference between Blogger and WordPress that I have observed is you are get your blog article here, and that's it. I have posted some blog book reviews, travelogue, and some privacy related articles there. And thing is, you can have your own pages about me and contact. So this a page about me that you can have separately on WordPress, but that's not available on Blogger, or I might not have explored it. I think WordPress is more useful when you need to customize your site yourself. You can add any component, and its turn of customization is available. You can always send a message to me through it, and that's WordPress. That might be useful for you. I would suggest explore it. Watch any YouTube tutorial. Maybe it is 4 to 5 hours long, but when you watch it, you will be able to customize your WordPress site and use all the features of the WordPress. So that's it, I think. And regarding domain, you see, every other blog has domain name like techcrunch.com or yourstory.com. Mine is just something like Daredevil and some bunch of numbers.wordpress.com. In the initial phase, I thought I need not to register any domain and need not to invest that cost, although it's fine for into 500, until unless I'm perfect in writing and people are engaging in my blog. There is one more thing. There was one mention of microblogging, and that you can always do. So I just told about Tumblr. I think you can also use that platform. Here you go. This is a blog, micro blogging site. You can always use web portal, or when you want to add a post, you can always customize your post and post anything related. What do you think and what you feel to post? And as like WordPress, you get a domain that you can tell others about. That's my domain. You can always have your own. I just don't have any other domain right now. So that I'm showing right now. So that's it. Just like blog, as you see in Blogger, this has got post. This has got all the options: ask me anything, submit a post, archive, and any other post that you have posted here. So that's a bunch of thoughts of the idea of thoughts that I have came across and I have posted here. So you can always have your own post and do it, and that might be useful in addition